Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy from Pandabuy. So to buy from Pandabuy is really simple. So have your application ready right here or just download it and sign up. From there all you have to do is go and search your item or paste the link here. So here we want some Jordans for example. So there aren't any ones at the moment. So let's just search for a new one. So just search for shoes in general. So once we found our perfect price and perfect product, we want to import this right from our home from Taobao. So what we want to do is add to cart and then select a color, shoe size, and a lot more. So once you have done that, go to your cart, and then from your cart, just check it out and submit it. From there, you'll have to confirm your order, and then here, you'll have to check your address and very much more, agree to the terms and services, and submit it. From there, it will redirect you to a page where you will have to do payment with your credit, debit card, or your PayPal. So there's a lot going on there. You can do many much. So I'll just go ahead and relaunch the app. So there you go. So once you have done that, go to your order, pending payment, combine all these payments, and then you can just pay for it instantly like this. From there, you will have to send it to your warehouse once you're done with payment. From your warehouse, you can link it to your home, and there you go. You have ordered successfully from Pandabuy. It's just that simple. So here's the warehouse I was talking about earlier, and there you go. So that's how you buy from Pandabuy. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.